pocket EDC flip pocket. Flip pocket EDC. Yeah, all right. We're just doing a little prep or repair video here. We just did this other one and that was super long and dumb. I don't mean to call myself dumb. I'm not trying to like rip on myself. But here's the deal, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. This must be an older version or something. See how it's got that in there as opposed to this here? And that is why in my last video I could not figure out why the brass one would not slide. So what we're going to do, just throw them together quick because we shall not be defeated. And so here's this, the brass. And I just heard it click in there. I heard and felt. It felt so nice when it went in. That's what she said. So that just slides in there so nice. Oh yeah. Alright. And then we put this back together like this. Oops, we almost used the pole one for that one, so we won't do that. We've, oops. Oh, I got a little magnetic pull going on the end of my screwdriver, I think. Torx number 8, in case you're just joining us from the other video. Torx number 8, Torx number 8. That'll get this done, get this done. The other one I had it apart, and I'm just not going to go there in this video. So there's that one back together. And then here we go again on this one. Now this one has this center pole, which is shaped differently. The other one was oh, I felt it go in again. Feels so nice, yeah. The other one, I'm trying to say, clearly I'm a male, full-blooded male. We cannot multitask. I know there's probably guys out there that are going to argue with that, but it'll probably be my first comment. Be my first YouTube comment if somebody wanted to argue with me about how men can actually multitask. And maybe some of you can. But some of us choose to just admit that we can't. So this is it. Oh, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Oh, don't want to get spiked for ripping off Mr. Rogers. So here's the deal. So now that we did that, we got the dough sticks, and this one does this, and this one does this. Notice the loudness. Now, this one does this, and this one does this. And they both do this. And can spin like this and like this. And then this one here, since it has the thing, which this one did not. It had the center pole that had was able to slide like that, but the brass one simply does not. So this is what the whole video is about. Just that, the difference. They must have two models. I didn't know that. So hopefully you'll see. What the top D's about. The top diddly D. I like that. Oh, I'll get better. So that's the top D, deep fried dough sticks. Let me know, metal toys, if you want me to write your jingle for you. Top D, it'll have to be in the key of D, I guess. Huh? Oh, yeah.